Bonjour à tous, bonjour tout le monde, good morning or good day everyone. Today let us see the second exercise in page number 44, that is lesson 5, the continuation of subjunctive. Last class we have studied first exercise. Now let us move on to the second exercise. The second exercise is also subjunctive only. And before going into the second exercise, please refer page number 41 and 42 of your book PDF. In 41, in page number 41, down you could see four irregular verbs, and in page number 42 on the top you could see four verbs. So 4 plus 4 totally 8 verbs are irregular verbs. All those irregular verbs follow different subjunctive. It doesn't follow the usual method of subjunctive what we do. Okay, usually subjunctive is we will write the present tense conjugation. Out of that we'll take ILS conjugation, and we will remove ENT, add the subjunctive endings, right? So that is not applicable for those 8 irregular verbs given in your book PDF in page number 41 and 42. So you can please refer your book PDF. And before moving to this exercise, let me explain the example first. Okay. So in the example, if you see, they have given two verbs. Example, if you see, they have given two verbs. Out of that, the first verb should be written in present tense, and the second verb should be written in subjunctive. Got it? Okay. Now, vuluvar verb. Vuluvar verb is the first verb. For that, I have written the conjugation in present tense here. Okay, present tense. And then alar verb is given. The second verb is alar. So for the alar verb, it is a irregular verb. It is given in the conjugation is given in page number 41. So please refer the page number 41. It follows different conjugation. Okay, you have to by heart the conjugation as such. It will not follow the usual subjunctive method. So I have written all the subjunctive conjugation of alar verb here. And now let me frame the sentence. Answer. Kumar is IL conjugation. So I have taken this ilv here. Okay, so ilv k. As usual, I told you, right, you have to introduce k, and on is given here. On means you have to take il conjugation only, because if you refer the conjugations, always it will be like this only, il, l and o. So normally we won't frequently use this o. So rarely they may ask you. So o means you have to take ill conjugation of subjunctive. Okay. So I have taken this ill conjugation. So what is the ill conjugation here? Ill conjugation is this one only. Okay, so ill, ale. So you have to take this ill conjugation and write here. So Kumar will call ale d'abord do champ elise. Got it? Okay, now let me move on to the exercise. First one A. Le professeur exige. So exige is GER verb. So you have to write the GER conjugation here. GER conjugation of present tense I have written here. So GER conjugation, in no place alone you will add one E. That is the difference. So present tense conjugation I have written here for exige. And then the second verb in the sentence is visite. The second verb in the sentence is visite. So I have taken visite here. So first the subjunctive, to frame subjunctive, I have to write the present tense conjugation. Out of that I have to take ILS conjugation. So that's what I have done here. And remove ent, remove ent, add es, and then for ils and this is also ent, and for nu and vu you have to write the amparfy conjugation. So you have to take nu conjugation and frame the amparfy and check. I have not done here, you can do it, and if you do amparfy conjugation you will get this for nu and vu. So that is what I have written here, and the answer is le professeur exige. Le professeur means the professor, so it is il conjugation. Exige que you have to introduce, I said. Then nu is given in the sentence. So nu, what is the nu conjugation here for subjunctive? It is visitio. So that's what I have written here. Tu le monimodu pari. Okay, now mala suhaite nu comense. Okay, mala suhaite nu comense par la visite du Louvre. Suhaite means suhaite is the first verb. Comense is a second verb. So as I told you, first verb you write it in present tense. Comense is a second verb, so you have to write this comense in subjunctive. So here I have written the present tense conjugation for suhaite, and then comense verb present tense conjugation. Of that I have taken ILS. So remove ENT at the last, add these endings, and for nu and vu alone you have to write amparfy conjugation. The same I have done. And then Mala is the name of a girl, so it is L. So take the L conjugation for Suhait. Que nous commencions. Okay, so commencions I have picked up from here. Commencions par la visite de Louvre. Got it? Okay. Now let me move on to the next one. See, conscience, aim. So you have two verbs here. So what are the two verbs? One is aime verb, another one is faire verb. Okay, so for aime you have to write the normal present tense conjugation. Er verb conjugation you have to write, and then faire verb, it's an irregular verb. You have to refer page number 41 and 42. They have given 8 verbs, out of that faire is also there. So faire you have to follow a different method, so that I have written the conjugation here. So you have to by heart the conjugation. Then Kanchan est mieux qu'en fasse une promenade dans le parc monde. Okay, so Kanchan is the name of a boy. So il. So you have to take a il conjugation of present tense. Mieux qu'en fasse. So as I told, for en you have to take illal conjugation only. Okay. Now let me move on to the next one, D. So here also you have two verbs, vouloir and prendre verb. Okay, so for vouloir I have written the present tense conjugation here. For vouloir I have written the present tense conjugation here, and then prendre verb. So in order to frame subjunctive for prendre verb, you have to write the present tense, and from that present tense you have to take ILS conjugation, remove ENT at the last, and add the subjunctive ending. For nu and vu alone you have to write the amparfy ending. So Ratna is the name of a girl, so take L conjugation. L conjugation is VUT, que nous prenions. So this one I have taken subjunctive. Got it? Okay. Now the last one is Madan ordonné tout le monde suivre l'itinéraire. So ordonner is the first verb, second verb is suivre. So ordonner is a normal ER verb, so you have to write the present tense conjugation like this, normal ER verb conjugation, and then suivre verb conjugation you have to write, and from that you have to take ILS conjugation, remove ENT at the last, then add this subjunctive ending, and nu and vu alone will follow amparfy ending. So Madan is the name of a boy, so that you have to write Madan is the name of a boy, so you have to pick up il conjugation. Il ordonne que tout le monde suive. Okay, suive. Tout le monde means tout le monde you have to take il conjugation only, because le is given in the sentence, so you have to take the il conjugation here and write the suive here. Got it? So this is how you have to write the subjunctive. So let me give a quick recap of this exercise. First verb you have to write it in present tense. Second verb you have to write it in subjunctive. Okay. So there are set of there are eight verbs given in page number 41 and 42 of your book PDF. All those verbs do not follow the usual subjunctive conjugation method. It has its own conjugation which you have to by heart. Hope you are very thorough with this exercise. So please copy down this in your classwork. Merci beaucoup. Bonne journée.